10/19/2012, 1:10 p.m. Market is closed. Price line short. We told everyone that we had to come down about the $520 handle. Last quarterly earnings, when we shorted Priceline and made huge money, that it was time for it to come down from here. That was that area and that daily support, and then we traded Priceline all the way back up to fill in that gap, and now we're right back down to those lows. And that each time in the volatility that hooked up, 650 would be it. 650 she hit. Buying on the dip on that first round, back in not this quarterly earnings, the previous one in July, is that we're right back here at this major support level. And all of these names in the very shorter term that were the high flyers that have, this one has a $200 correction in it since 775. 14.87. On some of these, we're going to get short term where they're going to be oversold. And we'll be doing the analysis over the weekend on how to trade Priceline. I will just tell everybody that they are getting deeply oversold. When this one was deeply oversold here, we came all the way back up, created a daily buy signal. Now we're right back over here in the daily sell signal, MMT. That MACD, look at it. Bingo. Look at those areas. Look at that sell down. What goes up from the earnings, they gap them down, then they try to walk them. And they did, and that was a great time to be long. As soon as they got that back up there, where that major area of what last earnings was, and the support level right in here, where that pullback to that top in the last quarterly earnings from here to here, we have broke several trend lines on the way down. We'll be updating everyone. Priceline, $23 bear move down to support to the last double bottom of its earnings. And the thing about it is, when does that big money, the bulls that sat on the sideline that never participated, they were too scared. They let the whole move go by all year, and then they start buying up at the top when the NASDAQ composite and the Dow is down 200 handles and all of that. They waited. They never bought it back in June. They never bought it over here. They always like to get in already, make the big move, and these big reversals come in play. That's the Priceline update. Priceline short to double bottom support from the July quarterly earnings. We're in a new earnings season. We're in the October period. This will be reporting earnings again. We're going to see how this name trades. If it breaks that support level, we look at trading it down to 520.